Hi there, today we are back at Stanley Park to give you a little update on the Anfield Road stand expansion. We've just finished our live stream and we're going to get the drone up in the air and see what's going on, and you can be able to see things that were pointed out in the live stream from the air. We will be talking you through the video as we go as well. So during today's video, we have got some breaking news that we found out in the past 24 hours regarding the old Anfield Road stand roof. So when we get round to the roof, we will certainly update you on that. So you'll see in this shot at the back of the new stand, they are still installing the glasswork. If you've seen the live stream we done just before on Sunday gone, you'll see they are actually doing the brickwork of the next section, ready to put the next set of glass in. Watching this back now, I didn't realise it was so heavy on the turning. But what we've done here, as you'll see, it's coming round, we've got side on just above the end of the stand, and I've took the drone down quite low. I think I got down to about 20 metres, just so you can have a proper good look at the back of the site. I'd say as well, the roof is now probably about 2/3 covered, so I imagine that should be completed in the next couple of weeks. The cladding cover on the top of the roof there. Okay, so this breaking news is regarding the Anfield Road old roof. Okay, as we know, it is coming out. I seen it on a YouTube video, I think it was yesterday, that the date it's coming out is supposed to be after the final home game of the season, literally about 6 hours after. I've actually popped down, and one of the workers I spoke to said that is when it's due. So it's actually due out on the 20th of May. So we will be there to bring that to you. So put it in your diary. I'll tell you a bit sad, isn't it? I mean, as you probably most of you know, I'm an Evertonian, but it's sad that it's actually coming out. Obviously, you know, things have got to move on and whatever. But when you walk past that most days and it's just there, it's just like a fitting of the Anfield scenery, and like it's not going to be there anymore. So, but you know, onwards and upwards and all that. But yeah, sad. We'll label this in the video, but they're adding cladding to the front of the roof as well. You can see that labelled there. That's it for this week's update. If you do like these type of videos, we do them on a regular basis. You can subscribe to our channel for future content. We're going to leave the rest of this video so you can enjoy the visual and the music we're going to add in. Take care of yourselves, and we will see you very soon.